is a stick up, cause you had a hiccup. Men busted in and beat you cause you beat your bitch up. Ripping your lip, I didn't get to go up the clip up. They took out your grip and dipped it to call up your only never gon' tell you loving the part, but you ain't knowing another still in the heart. Walked in your home and the niggas making a spark. You kidnapping the women, having your way. Threatened to kill them all if they don't wanna stay. Got off of work and you thinking you about to play. And Charles Ramsey came and ruined your day. The way you act as a dead giveaway. Sad sucker, crazy motherfucker. Just when you get to thinking nobody can touch ya. Here come a hiccup in your plan, coming to bust ya. The man who ran right into my hands and crushed ya. Planet know you a star. You get a show in the company fighting far. And the promoters the beat that you gotta char. You was a priest that gave the little ones tears. Pedophile become cardinal in a year. Finally jailed forever, you live in fear. The pussy riot play heavily in your ear. 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 You never be in the clan, gonna let it dig in your rear. Serves your right to nerve to fight. Make them little church boys prayers be heard tonight. So hiccup, eat a dick up, quick up in a sticky situation, get you trip up. Nothing but a demon. You can be the flashy cause you ballin' now. Long as you realize it can all come falling down. You got a problem, yeah, I know we all. Build that up, sometimes you fall. Someone run, they better learn to go. All fucked up, you can't stand it all. You got a problem, yeah, I know we all. Build that up, sometimes you fall. Someone run, they better learn to go. All fucked up, you can't stand it all. Hey,
Damn.
Strange music.
Damn, son. Tech 9 being in the middle of this, that is something that you never expected. But I expected this when this EP came out. I mean, when I first time heard it, I loved it. That's my favorite EP from him. I listen to every god. I've heard this song, but I've never seen the music video, so I just decided to do it. And I will also make a reaction of Straight Outta Gate with Serge Tankian for System of a Down. The song Wither with Corey Taylor, and Beach Club with Corey Taylor and Hobson. And I will also make a Speedon reaction because I haven't actually heard that song for a really long time. And yeah, the next week will be Harris Week, so hope you enjoy and see you soon.